496 species in genus Veronica. The charm of Veronica, a gardener's appreciation. Hello, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm an avid gardener with a particular fondness for the Veronica genus. These versatile plants, also known as speedwell, have captured my heart with their vibrant colors, delicate blooms, and adaptability to various garden settings. Today, I'd like to share my appreciation for this captivating genus and delve into some of its fascinating aspects. A diverse and widespread genus. Veronica is a large genus belonging to the Plantagenaceae family, boasting around 496 species. These plants are native to various regions across the globe, including Europe, Asia, and North America. They exhibit remarkable diversity in form, ranging from low-growing ground covers to taller, upright varieties. This wide array of choices makes Veronica a welcome addition to any garden, regardless of size or style. A tapestry of colors and forms. One of the most striking features of Veronica is the beautiful array of colors it offers. While blue and purple are the most common hues, you can also find varieties with pink, white, and even red flowers. The delicate blooms, often arranged in racemes or spikes, add a touch of elegance to any landscape. The foliage of Veronica is equally diverse, ranging from deep green to variegated patterns. Some species even boast silvery or gray-green leaves, adding a unique textural element to the garden. This combination of colorful blooms and attractive foliage makes Veronica a standout performer in any planting scheme. Adaptability and resilience. Veronica plants are renowned for their adaptability and resilience, making them a favorite among gardeners of all skill levels. They thrive in a variety of conditions, from full sun to partial shade, and tolerate a range of soil types. Once established, they are relatively low maintenance and can withstand periods of drought. This hardiness makes Veronica an excellent choice for borders, rock gardens, and even containers. They also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthy and vibrant garden ecosystem. A selection of noteworthy species. With around 500 species, the Veronica genus offers a wealth of options for gardeners. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating and caring for Veronica. Veronica plants are relatively easy to cultivate and care for. They prefer well-drained soil and a sunny location, although some species tolerate partial shade. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Deadheading spent flowers can encourage repeat blooming and maintain a tidy appearance. Most Veronica species are hardy and can withstand cold temperatures. However, some varieties may benefit from winter protection in colder climates. Dividing clumps every few years can help maintain plant vigor and prevent overcrowding. A personal connection. My love for Veronica stems not only from its beauty and versatility, but also from its connection to my personal history. The name Veronica holds a special significance in my family, and these plants serve as a constant reminder of cherished memories and loved ones. I find great joy in cultivating Veronica in my garden, watching them thrive and bring beauty to my surroundings. Their resilience and adaptability mirror the strength and perseverance I strive for in my own life. A timeless beauty. Veronica plants have graced gardens for centuries, captivating gardeners with their timeless beauty and enduring charm. Their versatility, resilience, and wide array of colors and forms make them a welcome addition to any landscape. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I encourage you to explore the captivating world of Veronica and discover the magic these plants can bring to your garden.